Welcome to Paws and Wonders, where we uncover the mysteries of the wild, and every creature has a story waiting to be told. Today, let's stretch our necks and look at a creature that's as fascinating as it is majestic. We're talking about the giraffe, a giant with a graceful stride, a towering presence, and a secret world hidden in those long, elegant legs and that towering neck. But there's more to this spotted wonder than meets the eye. Ready to discover the secrets of the giraffe? Let's dive in. 1. A neck like no other. Let's start with the most obvious feature, the giraffe's neck. Standing at up to 6 feet long, it's the longest neck of any land animal on Earth. You might think that it's all about reaching high branches, but did you know that giraffes actually use their necks for something else too? It's called necking. No, not the cute kind. The kind where males use their necks in a fierce battle for dominance. They swing their heads like hammers, using their skulls to knock their opponents. And believe it or not, the sound of 2 giraffes clashing their heads together can be heard hundreds of meters away. But that neck isn't just for fighting. It gives giraffes an amazing advantage when it comes to spotting predators. Imagine being able to see over vast distances. A giraffe can spot a lion or hyena from miles away, allowing it to stay one step ahead. 2. The gentle giants of the savannah. Despite their intimidating height, giraffes are herbivores, which means they eat only plants. But what makes their diet interesting is that they are selective feeders. Giraffes prefer to munch on the leaves of acacia trees, which are loaded with tannins, a chemical that makes plants taste bitter. And while this might be a challenge for many animals, giraffes have evolved specialized tongues to help them. Their tongues are 18 inches long and dark blue, which helps protect them from the sun's harsh rays as they pluck leaves from thorny branches. And even though their diet is relatively simple, giraffes have a surprisingly complex way of eating. They are known to take slow, deliberate bites, using their lips and tongue to twist around branches with impressive precision. The giraffe's heart, literally a giant. When you think of a giraffe, you might picture its neck, but there's another part of its body that needs just as much attention, its heart. A giraffe's heart weighs about 25 pounds, 5 times heavier than a human heart. This large heart pumps blood up that long neck all the way to the brain. To make sure it doesn't lose blood pressure and collapse, a giraffe has evolved a unique system of blood vessels that work overtime to ensure blood keeps flowing, even when it's stretching up for high leaves. What's even more fascinating, when giraffes bend down to drink, they have to take special care. Gravity works against them, so they have to spread their legs wide and lower their bodies slowly. This takes effort because of the pressure inside their system, and it looks like quite the acrobatic feat. The secret social life of giraffes may seem solitary at first glance, but they have a surprisingly social structure. Giraffes form loose groups known as towers. But these towers are flexible and ever-changing. Unlike other animals, giraffes don't stay with the same group for long periods of time. Instead, they form relationships based on availability and environmental conditions. In fact, giraffes have a unique way of communicating that you probably didn't expect. While they don't roar or bellow like lions or elephants, giraffes hum, especially at night. Some researchers believe these low-frequency hums help giraffes communicate with each other over long distances, especially in the darkness of the night. 5. A giraffe's spotty pattern, more than just beauty. Those spots you see on a giraffe's coat aren't just for decoration. Each giraffe's pattern is unique, much like a fingerprint. But beyond helping giraffes tell each other apart, these spots also serve a practical purpose: camouflage. Giraffes live in the savanna, where tall grasses and acacia trees dominate the landscape. Their spots blend in beautifully with the surroundings, helping them stay hidden from predators, especially when they stand still. Their large size might make them seem like easy prey, but their ability to blend into the environment makes them surprisingly hard to spot. 6. Mothers and babies. A towering love. One of the most heartwarming parts of a giraffe's life is the bond between mother and baby. A giraffe's pregnancy lasts about 15 months, the longest of any land animal. When a baby giraffe is born, it drops about 6 feet to the ground, but don't worry, it doesn't hurt. The mother's instinct kicks in, and within minutes, the newborn is standing and walking, something that helps it avoid predators right from the start. Mother giraffes are nurturing and protective, and the bond between a mother and her calf is strong. The calves stay close to their mothers for up to 2 years, learning how to navigate the world, avoid predators, and survive in the wild. 7. The giraffe's endangered. Future. Giraffes have an uncertain future. While they are not officially classified as endangered, their populations have been declining due to habitat loss and poaching. The giraffe's slow reproductive rate, combined with habitat destruction, means they need our help now more than ever. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these majestic animals and preserve their habitats, but it's up to all of us to raise awareness and ensure that giraffes continue to grace the savannas for generations to come. So, the next time you see a giraffe, remember, this tall, elegant creature has a world of wonders hidden in its spots and a heart that beats as strong as its giant frame. This was Paws and Wonders, where even the tallest creatures carry the deepest stories. If you enjoyed learning about giraffes, leave a like and subscribe for more fascinating facts about nature's wonders.